Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Welcome to my channel. My name is Tony. Welcome back. And this is another DIY hair transformation video. As you can see from the title, I am going to strip my hair of color. Sorry, I just can't leave my hair alone. Anyways, I'm planning of another color already, so I'm going to strip off the color. I'm kind of tired or getting tired of this pink. And I was just using this hair color mask from Fanola. It's washable. I will only use this much, and there's still a lot of color left on my hair because I had toned this rose gold pink before, so maybe that's why it stuck to my hair. So this trick that I'm going to show you today, it's kind of like magic. I have done this before once when I had a purple hair, and I'm gonna try to do it again today and see if it works this time around also. So what I'll be using is this one. I know people were using baking soda. I only have baking powder. They are different, but this one also has sodium bicarbonate, which is baking soda. So I'm hoping this should work. And I have a dishwashing soap, and they've recommended the Dawn product, but we don't have that here. And this is all that I have around the house, so I'm not gonna buy anything just for this. So I'll be using this. Or I've got my bowls and my mixing tool here, and I'm gonna add a little bit of shampoo. I'll just finish off this bottle. There's still some left there. So let's start mixing the concoction and say goodbye to pink hair.
Preach, they lie or put her out my way, think it lost to see. Not sure what you wanted, but I'm what you need. I know my high just started, bet I hit a peak, yeah.
So I'm done with my mixture, and I'm just gonna apply it here in my living room. I'm lazy to go to my bathroom anyways. After this, I'm gonna take a shower, and hopefully this works. So let's begin. I don't know where to start. Maybe I should section my hair off like so, and then just watch. I didn't even wear my gloves. Okay, I think I need to go to the bathroom and do this there so I can see, because I don't have a mirror here. I'm only looking at my phone. So I'm back. Hello, I'm back. So I have saturated, or hopefully fully saturated, my hair with that mixture. And if you can see this part here, it's turning yellow to my blonde color, ash blonde, and I hope all the pink would be gone after I shower. So I'm gonna wait 10 more minutes, and then I'll thoroughly wash my hair, and I hope to restore some life into it. So I'm gonna do a hair mask and then put some oil and all that stuff, and I'll be back to show you if this trick really works. So, did it work or did it not? Ta-da! I told you I did this before already, so it should work this time around too. So this is my hair stripped of the pink color. I can see some tinge of pink on this side, on the tips here, but it's gone mostly, right? Here, It's still pink, but the palest of pink, so it should be fine after another wash or two. And I like it. And oh, my face is itchy, sorry. I am really confused what color my hair is now. Is it blonde, ash blonde? Take a closer look. Okay, and comment down below what you think this hair color is. But anyway, this is going to be my hair for the next week. I'm prepping it up for my hair for the holidays because December is coming up soon, Christmas time. So yeah, I do already have a new color I'm planning to put in my hair. Nothing really shocking or anything, but you watch out for that. So thank you very much for watching till the end of the video. I hope you have a good one. Stay safe and stay strong. Bye.